Hi folks, it's Dr. Christine here, and today I wanted to show you how you can easily create a website and then blog posts in GoHighLevel, the CRM that we call the business in a box that you can get from us with the templates for wellness businesses built in. So how do you do that? Here's the dashboard of our demo account. This is not a live account. You go to sites. And here's as many funnels as you want and as many websites, stores, webinars as you want and blog posts. Let's start with a website. Let's build us a website. How do you do that? Well, it's simple. GoHighLevel, our CRM, the business in a box, is simple. Start by creating. You want to do it from blank or from a template. Now, let's take a template. Or maybe from blank. I can't decide. Let's do a blank one and set my wellness coaching. Let's say my wellness business, because by now we have many local businesses, chiropractors, spas, physio clinics, massage therapists. They all need a website. They all need what we now offer, an AI employee that manages incoming calls, and we'll talk about later. Let's see. Here's the wellness business website. It's already done. All you need, you can select the domain, and I showed in another video how to input that. But to start, you don't even have to do that. You can add pages now. How do you do that? Click the button again. Let's start with the home page. The path. It's home, right? And then you can create a new page. You can import it from ClickFunnels. You can import courses from school. You can do a lot of things. And now you can use existing, if you already have websites in your account. You can have a look. Oh, there's one. No, it's not. Is there any funnels in there? I can actually take, say, I want the high ticket funnel and I want to make the opt-in page to a website, to a home page. I can do that. I can repurpose funnel pages, website pages, and make them a new one. And then edit them, change the color, change the settings, change the wordings. It is so versatile, you won't believe it. And you know what? Now you already have a home page. Of course, you could have taken a whole template that comes with a home page, about page. Let's just try that, because we can have as many websites as we want. Let's start with a template this time and use a template. Let's just say I'm in wellness. So let's look for a wellness related website. Health and wellness. What do we have? Lots of good templates, and we'll be happy to get you one. And then, oh, look at this purple, yoga balance. I like it. Yoga classes, wellness. There's lots of nice websites, and all you need to do as an agency owner for us is add a template. Well, the real work, of course, is in adapting that to the business owner, making it yours with your branding, your specific business, a video that features you, the business owner, and the specific services and product that only you can offer to your audience. That's what makes a business. Now, this is not necessarily what my ideal yoga class looks like. I could never do that without breaking my back, but you see, get the idea, right? You can put any picture in there, including your own, of course. And you can adapt all the website, but this is how it comes. It is ready to go if you want it. All you would have to do is add your clients to make money. It is relatively simple, and to be honest, we'll give you that when you start with us as kind of a welcome gift when you join us. It's quite amazing. Now let's go back. We're not there. Let's go back and see where we were. Okay, now this is the website. See, it's complete now. Home page, about page, events page, and the contact page. All ready to go. And you can create a website in just that fast. And I'll show you in the next video how then